Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix keeps dropping calls on at 70,000. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, restart device, just click and hold side button and volume up button and you will see click on reset. After click on reset, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library, scroll down to and click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on system. After click on system, click on reset option and click on reset network mobile setting. After click on reset network setting and click on reset setting. After click on reset setting, you will see your problem is solved. After the process, go back to home screen. You will check your problem is solved, but if it still not solved, again click on settings app and click on search and search software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix keep dropping calls on at 70,000. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.